of Foreign Language of Indira Gandhi National Open University presents a program on familiarization of French language for the beginners of language learning students.
On va au restaurant ce soir? Pourquoi pas? Vous proposez lequel?
J'ai envie de manger une pizza. On pourrait aller dans un restaurant italien.
Oui, bonne idée. On se donne rendez-vous à 20h? 20h, c'est bon pour moi. À ce soir alors. Oui, à ce soir.
Do you know in which language these people are talking? Is it Spanish, Swedish, Russian, or any other language? This is French language.
Today we are going to discuss all that you have learnt in the previous programs. Our topic is restaurants in France. You're going to learn how to ask the menu, the check, and how to order, and even more. Visiting monuments and parks, discovering culture, reading books are a good way to discover a country. But food is also a part of culture. You must try food of the country you visit. That's why today we're going to give you clues to be able to speak French in a restaurant. First, listen to this conversation which takes place in a restaurant. A client is welcomed by a waitress.
Good evening, sir. Welcome in our restaurant. Here is the menu. Would you like a before dinner drink?
Bonjour monsieur, bienvenue dans notre restaurant. Voici le menu. Vous voulez un apéritif?
No, thanks. Just a bottle of water.
Non, merci. Juste une bouteille d'eau.
I'm bringing it right now.
Je vous apporte ça tout de suite.
Thanks.
Merci.
Have you decided? Can I take your order?
Vous avez choisi? Je peux prendre votre commande?
Yes. For starters, I will have a lyonnaise salad. And for main course, I will have the dish of the day.
Oui, en entrée, je vais prendre une salade de tomates. Et pour le plat principal, je vais prendre le menu du jour.
Will you have a dessert?
Vous prendrez un dessert?
Maybe. What have you?
Peut-être. Qu'est-ce que vous avez?
We have ice creams, apple pies, strawberry pies, and chocolate cakes. You also can take a cheese platter.
Nous avons des glaces, des tartes aux pommes, des tartes aux fraises, des gâteaux au chocolat. Vous pouvez aussi prendre un plateau de fromage.
I will have a strawberry pie, please.
Je vais prendre une tarte aux fraises, s'il vous plaît.
Would you like wine for your dinner?
Vous voulez du vin pour votre repas?
No, thanks.
Non, merci.
Here is your lyonnaise salad. I will bring the rest of your order in a while. Enjoy your meal.
Voici votre salade lyonnaise. Je vous apporte la suite de votre commande dans un moment. Bon appétit!
Thanks.
Merci. There is a lot of new vocabulary in this conversation, so we are going to sum up the conversation to help you to memorize few words. First, the waitress gives the menu to the client saying,
Voici le menu.
Then, she asks if she can take the order of the client saying,
Je peux prendre votre commande?
This conversation is also an opportunity to learn how to speak about the different dishes in French. First, you can have a before dinner drink, which is
Apéritif.
in French. In English, you use the same word often. Second, you take the starters.
Les entrées.
Then there is the main course called.
Plat principal.
You may know that French are fond of cheese, so there is often a cheese platter called.
Un plateau de fromage.
And finally, the dessert.
Le dessert.
Listen again to the same conversation and try to locate these words and to repeat them.
Bonjour, monsieur. Bienvenue dans notre restaurant. Voici le menu. Vous voulez un apéritif?
Un apéritif.
Non merci. Juste une bouteille d'eau.
Je vous apporte ça tout de suite.
Merci.
Vous avez choisi? Je peux prendre votre commande?
Oui, en entrée, je vais prendre une salade de tomates.
En entrée.
Et pour le plat principal, je vais prendre le menu du jour.
Le plat principal.
Vous prendrez un dessert?
Un dessert.
Peut-être. Qu'est-ce que vous avez?
Nous avons des glaces, des tartes aux pommes, des tartes aux fraises, des gâteaux au chocolat. Vous pouvez aussi prendre un plateau de fromage.
Un plateau de fromage.
Je vais prendre une tarte aux fraises, s'il vous plaît.
Voulez-vous du vin pour votre repas?
Non, merci.
Voici votre salade lyonnaise. Je vous apporte la suite de votre commande dans un moment. Bon appétit!
Merci.
This conversation makes you learn some words to understand how to order in a restaurant, how to answer to the questions of the waitress. We are now going to learn how to use one of the forms of the future in French. Have you noticed in the previous conversation when he orders to say, I will have? In French, the client says,
Je vais prendre.
literally you can translate it by, I am going to, because
Je vais.
means I go, and also because the verb which follows this form is in the infinitive form. Let's listen to a short conversation between friends at the restaurant who are choosing what they are going to order.
What will you order, Isora?
Qu'est-ce que tu vas commander, Isora?
I will have a salmon salad for starters. For the main course, I will share with Mary.
Je vais prendre une salade au saumon en entrée. Pour le plat principal, je vais partager avec Marie.
Good idea. What will you eat?
Bonne idée. Vous allez manger quoi?
We'll have a pizza. And you?
Nous allons prendre une pizza. Et toi?
I'll order an egg and a bacon quiche. And then, I don't know. I want to know what Mark will eat. Maybe we can share too.
Je vais commander une quiche Lorraine. Et après, je ne sais pas, je veux savoir ce que Marc va manger. On pourra peut-être partager aussi. Did you understand how this future tense works? You have to conjugate at the present form the verb to go, aller, and then add the main verb like to take, prendre, or to eat, manger, or to order, commander. So to know how to use this tense, you should know how to conjugate aller, A-L-L-E-R, or in French, A-2-L-E-R, in present tense.
Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils ou elles vont.
Now let's talk about food today in France. We're going to speak about potatoes in France. Actually, potatoes have been imported in France during the 16th century, but people didn't eat it at that time. It was used as cattle feed for a long time. During the 18th century, Antoine Parmentier, A-N-T-O-I-N-E, P-A-R-M-E-N-T-I-E-R. So Antoine Parmentier wanted to promote this food as a way to fight famine. But people didn't want to eat what they thought was a cattle feed. Antoine Parmentier had an idea to convince people to eat it. He made potatoes famous by asking royal guards to keep a potato field under surveillance. People thought it was a special food intended for the rich people only, and so decided to steal and eat it. This stratagem was a success. Potatoes began to be cultivated everywhere in France, and authorities even voted a law to promote the cultivation of potatoes. Antoine Parmentier is known for other discoveries in pharmacy and research on food hygiene. There is a statue of Antoine Parmentier in the Faculty of Pharmacy of Paris. An avenue is named after him in Paris. Some dishes also contain his name, for example, the Hatches Parmentier, which is a dish made with potatoes and meat.
You are just listening to a program entitled Restaurants in France. In this program, a conversation makes you learn some words to understand how to order in a restaurant, how to answer to the questions of the waitress. We are now going to learn how to use one of the forms of the future in French. Have you noticed the previous conversation? When he orders to say, I will have in French, the client says,
Je vais prendre.
Literally, you can translate it by I am going to because
Je vais
means I go, and also because the verb which follows this form is in the infinitive form.
In this program, the participants were Juliet Arakel, Lalema Aneja Dang, D. Andrews, Dr. Sushant Kumar Mishra, Isora Buisson Brule, and Tifain Amar. Program concept and scripted by Manoj Kumar Singh, Dr. Sushant Kumar Mishra, and Isora Buisson Brule. Program content coordinator Dr. Sushant Kumar Mishra. Sound recording by Parvesh Kumari and edited by Sadan Lal. Produced by Manoj Kumar Singh. This program was brought to you by Electronic Media Production Center of the Indira Gandhi National Open University.
Did you know? Antarctica is the highest, driest and coldest continent on Earth. Interesting facts brought to you by NCIDE in collaboration with EMPC Division, IGNOU.